Hi, I am Akshata Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to begin trading and how to grow your capital from minimum to a very good amount. I will explain this with live trades, that is live examples, using a small account which I have created to exactly show you how to start your trade with a minimum capital and how you can steadily grow it. For this, you need to have a proper structure, a proper trading plan and a proper system. So today in this video, let us see how slowly and steadily you can very safely grow your money. As many of you know, this is my Telegram channel, that is udupafinance. The link of this Telegram channel is given in the description. You can join the channel. So from June 8th, I had been posting the trades over here, my live trades with Ethereum. Okay, these are the trades that I took, and here complete analysis is given. Again, these are not the live trades that are taken by me. It is not in a larger quantity, in a larger capital. This is just for you to learn. I'm just showing you how you can start trading with very minimum capital and how to manage your risk safely and grow your capital. So here a complete detail as to why I have taken a trade at that point, how did I analyze, how did we manage the risk, everything is given. So on June 8th, I started the trade here with 15,000 capital, trading with 1 Ethereum, and I have used 10x leverage. So this is a complete journey as to how you can build your capital. So here I have started with 15k capital and all the trades are posted here along with the complete analysis as to why I have taken the trade here. So you can just go through the complete list from June 8th. If you just scroll down, you can see all the trades, and as I said, these trades are taken with a very minimum capital of 15,000. Again, not to promote taking the trades, or this is not calls or something. This is just for you to understand how to take the trades and how to do the analysis properly with proper risk management. So you can just go through this, and whoever have not yet joined this Telegram channel, they can join using the link that is given in the description. So you can see this is the Delta Exchange account. Now I'll just show you. Let us customize the date. As I said, I started the trade from June 8th. So let me start from June 8th till today. So now here we will learn very important things which will help you in your trading journey. So with 15,000 capital, in 21 days we were able to take the profit of 18.41, that is 18,000, which is 100% of the capital that we used, right? Next, if you see here, the average win and the average loss, that is the risk reward. In any trades, the risk reward is very much important. We have to keep in the mind as to what will be our risk and what will be our reward. So here if you observe, the average win is 2000 and the average loss is 500, that is almost 1:4 is a RR ratio here. You can see here the win rate is just 50%. Even then the RR ratio is very high, 1:4. So when you have a very good RR ratio, your accuracy will be more. Now you might be checking some of them who show their win rates as 80%, 90%, but ultimately what will be their RR ratio, that becomes important. So here 1:4 RR ratio is a very good RR ratio to go with. So your accuracy of trades is more important. And also if you observe here, the number of trades that I took in 20 days is just 26. That is max to max 2 trades per day. This means I am not over trading at all. Maximum 2 trades I have taken per day, and this is a ideal way of growing safe and trading safe. So if you just over trade, then whatever profits you make, that will also be wiped out, and slowly your capital will also get wiped away. So make sure that you do not over trade. Max to max you can take 2 trades with the minimum capital of 15k. So here you can see the average profit here, 400, 1.7k, 2k, here you can see 1.8k, and the losses that has happened, you can see 500, 800, 314. So if you observe, the losses that has happened whenever stop loss got hit is very less, but the profits that we got is very much more. This is very important. You cannot say in any strategy that there is no stop loss hit. Stop loss hit will be there, but what is again, your risk reward ratio is very much important. What is the amount of loss that you make when compared to the profit that that strategy is giving you. So here you can also observe the volume traded. So this is a fees that is paid for this 20-day trading. Now before you take up any trades, it is very important to do the proper analysis. For this you can depend upon any tool like a paper trading tool. So this is our tool, that is the practice trade tool. You can use this for crypto trading. So here if you see under symbols, you can just use Ethereum, because as I said, I am trading in Ethereum and I have shown you the trades there. So once you change Ethereum here, and you have an option called practice. If you select practice over here, you will get some random charts using which you can do the practice. You can analyze and you can see how to take the trades. So for example, you can use any indicators here. In the tools, if you are someone who has a strategy which is based on RSI, you can use it. You can use VWAP, you can use Bollinger Band, or any of the indicators which you are using. Now say for example, you want to take a trade. I'll just put RSI and I'll just say practice over here. So I got a random chart. Now I'll say play, and you can see here the trend is negative. So I'll simply go with shorting. Before that, I'll just pause here, and since we are trading in Ethereum, I'll put 100 lots and say stop loss and target, I'll put 30-30. Again, this is not a strategy, I'm just showing you an example. So I can just put all of this here and let me play here, and I'll say short. Okay. Now you can just wait for the stop loss or target to hit, or you can just say exit. So you can just directly exit over here, or if your target or your stop loss get hit, then automatically it will exit. So why I have taken 100 over here? 1 Ethereum means 100 lots, that's why I have taken 100 over here. Now when you finish your trade or finish your practice, you will just have to click on save trade here. So when you click on save trade, you can see here under trade history, all your trades will appear. It's like a study thing for you. You can just analyze what have you done, at what price you have purchased, at what price you have exited, and you can see what is a result. So all of this you can analyze. There is a complete tutorial video that I have done on this, that is a practice trade tool. I will give the link in the description. You can just go check the complete video and see how this whole tool works. This is a great tool that is available if you are someone who want to start a crypto trading journey. First, you have to practice with this tool, learn how to trade, learn how to do the analysis, and then only put your actual money. Again, a very minimum capital to start with. Just trade with 1 Ethereum, and once you are confident, you can trade with more lots. This is a tool that we have launched very recently. As an early bird offer, we are giving this tool for free for lifetime for first 100 users, and for that you just need to open a Delta Exchange account using our referral link. The referral link is given in the description. You can just use that referral link, open an account, do your first trade, and then get back to us. Now, as I showed you before, in the Telegram I have given complete analysis of how to take the trades using minimum capital. So as I said, in my Telegram channel I have posted complete learning of how to take the trades with minimum capital. For this I use our own indicator, that is TradeLevel Pro, which is also available in this practice tool. If you just click on this indicator, if you load it, you can see here, this is how it appears. Different blocks are there using which you can easily take the trades. These are the strong blocks which can act as strong support and resistance, and you can use this and practice the trades, and later you can just do the live trades. Again, it is not compulsory you have to use this particular indicator itself. You can use any other indicators if you are using them, but if you don't have any proper strategy, nothing is working for you, then you can definitely try this out, TradeLevel Pro. This is already inbuilt here. It is available in this practice tool itself. If you want to use it in the TradingView portal for live analysis, then you will have to take this separately. So here, this is a TradingView portal. You can see here I have just added the TradeLevel Pro indicator. You can see how it works. This is on Nifty. I have added it on Nifty. You can use it on Nifty, Bank Nifty, on stocks as well as on cryptos. So you can see here as soon as a breakout has happened from this level, you can see the buy, and here you can see the target. Here as soon as this particular candle gives a breakdown from our block, here we got a sell, and you can see here the target is achieved. Like this you can just analyze this particular indicator, and it gives you a great idea as to the entry point and the exit points. So you can just use this indicator on any instrument. Let us check for Ethereum also. So you can see similarly you can apply it on Ethereum as well. You can see here we got a buy because this particular level acted as a strong support, and from there you can see a proper target. You can see how well these levels are respected. If you see here an exact touch to our level, here you can see an exact touch. Like this particular level can help you in exactly finding where to take the entry and where to exit. So if you want to buy this tool, then here in the practicetrade.in website, it is available. You can see here plan 1 TradeLevel Pro. This is the particular indicator which I was showing. So this is available at 6,000 rupees, that is at the discounted price as of now. After that the price will be increased. So you can go about and purchase this. Or if you just want to use the practice tool as of now, then you can open an account with Delta Exchange and you can get this particular trade practice tool for free. Here you also have the videos. If you go to video section, you can see the complete tutorial of the TradeLevel Pro as well as the practice tool. So you can check out the video completely and then decide if you are interested in this. So to open an account with Delta Exchange, you will have to use my referral link. My referral link is given in the description. Just click on the link and open the account there. So once you open the referral account, you will have to do the first trade. After you take the first trade, you will have to come to this practicetrade.in website and you will have to create an account here. So just click on sign in here and say create account. So once you create the account here, just note the email address, that is the mail ID which you have used to create the account here. Okay. Then I have given another link in the description of this video, which is a Google form link. Just go to this Google form and here you will have to just read out all this. You will have to open a Delta Exchange account using our referral link. Then you will have to complete your first trade. After that, you will have to have your email ID, that is ID which you use to create an account in the trade practice tool, and also have your Delta Exchange ID ready with you, and just watch this video before you proceed. Watch the video completely. This have complete details about the tool. Then here you have to give your full name and the same email ID which you used while creating the account over here in the practicetrade.in. If both the IDs are same, put the same email ID. It is better to go with the same email ID for both of this, and put your Delta Exchange user ID and just confirm this. So we will get to know who have opened the account. We will do the checking process, and within 24 to 48 hours you will get access to our trade practice tool. As soon as you fill out the Google form, do not start mailing us because it will take us little time to check whether the account is opened or not and then give the access. So please wait for 24 to 48 hours. Once we give the access, you will receive a mail that the access is given, and then you can use this platform. So yeah, I hope this practice tool will help you a lot in the analysis and will make your trading journey smooth. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you have not yet joined our free Telegram channel, then please join. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.